In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. Begin by opening the Play Store and log in with your Google Play Gmail ID. Exit the app once logged in. Open the Play Games app. Tap on the three little dots in the top right corner of your screen and then select Settings. In the Profile and Privacy section, find the Automatically Sign In to Supported Games option. Toggle it on if your device has it. This ensures your games sync with your account every time you launch a Google Play compatible game. With Sync set up, transferring your Google Play Games data to Game Center is straightforward. Follow the usual steps to sync your game data with Game Center. And that's it. Now your game data should be synced and ready for use on Game Center. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.